Good morning, guys. Welcome to Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. We are the oldest Isuzu dealer in the state of Texas with 3 locations in DFW, in Louisville, McKinney, and right here where I'm standing in Fort Worth. My name's Cole Rozak, and today we're going to be looking at stock number 13276, and that is the Isuzu NPR HD, year models 2024. This is a gas-powered vehicle with a 6.6 liter V8 GM engine in it with 350 horsepower, paired up with a 6-speed automatic GM transmission. As you can see, this is the cab over body style, which is famously known by Isuzu. This allows for maximum maneuverability and visibility, which is essential for landscaping crews as you're making your way through neighborhoods, through tight streets and corners. You're able to navigate it much better than a conventional style body. The engine itself comes with a 5-year, 75,000-mile warranty, and the truck itself comes with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, and the transmission comes with a 5-year unlimited mile warranty. Let's take a look inside. I'll go ahead and walk around. As you can see here, we have the tilt telescopic steering wheel. We have automatic locks, doors, and windows, heated and remote mirrors. The mirror controls are located overhead in the driver's seat. You have your storage up above head. You can fit 3 up front. This obviously folds down to a workstation, folds up when you want to add the 3rd. And let's take a look in the back. As you can see back here, you have your bench style seating. This can seat up to 4 additional persons. This is one of the huge advantages of the crew cab configuration. You can fit your whole crew in this truck. Again, that's a total of up to 7 individuals that can fit in here. Now let's take a look at the business end of the truck. So as we're on our way to the back here, guys, we'll take a look underneath. We do have our cat cages. These are standard for our gas-powered vehicles, so you can rest assured that your investment is protected. Coming around back, we have our split dovetail ramps with perforated steel. This allows for maximum texture and grip as your guys are walking up and it's wet, or you have your 0 turns or your push mowers. It's going to reduce the amount of sliding and allow for that extra grip to get up into the ramp. Let's take a look inside. All right, so now that we're inside the box, again, this is a 16-foot Morgan box with about 7 feet of clearance up top, plenty of room. We have the aluminum scuff boards going all around the bottom of the box. These are a good thing to note because as your guys are coming in here, pushing their equipment and they're bumping the sides, the aluminum is gonna absorb that damage instead of the box itself. We have the laminated wood flooring. We have wood panel lining all around. We have the vents in the back and in the door themselves, which allow for more air to flow through, which is important because you have gas-powered vehicles in here. You have your gas cans, and so all those fumes won't build up as much with the ventilation. We have the aluminum ceiling. Again, the roll-up door, which also has the vents on it again. And now we'll come around the side here. One more time, it's a 16-foot Morgan box, about 7 feet tall. And what's so awesome about this is now you can turn your gas dollars into advertising dollars, guys. You can wrap it, put your company name, logo, and phone number, and now you are a mobile billboard as you're going from job site to job site. Again, this is stock number 13276. If you guys are interested in this vehicle, please call us at the phone number below. Visit us online. Again, my name's Cole Rozak. We would love to see you here. This truck is highly sought after, so come and get it before it's gone, guys. Thanks.